The revolution of artificial intelligence. In the 1800s, two people, Charles Babbage and Ada Lovelace, thought that machines can be programmed and used for making human lives easier. That was the big idea which laid the foundation of artificial intelligence. Charles Babbage designed the analytical engine, and Ada Lovelace wrote the first algorithm ever. Ada suggested that machines could follow instructions, which became the foundation of programming. From the 1930s to 1940s, computers took the real shape and went from ideas to real machines. During World War II, Alan Turing helped create machines to break secret codes and explained how computers could be programmed to solve the problems. Turing believed that machines could think, and he even proposed a famous test to see if a machine could act like a human. This test was called the Turing test. From the 1940s to 1950s phase, major inventions like the transistor took place, which made the machines smaller, faster, and more reliable. Boolean logic and math also helped build the foundation for artificial intelligence. These ideas taught computers how to process information and solve problems. So before artificial intelligence came to existence, the world already had the needed things which laid the foundation or set the stage for the launch of artificial intelligence, for example, early computers, programming, logic, and new machines. After World War II, technology grew fast. There was huge demand for computers because of the military, science, and business. More powerful machines meant scientists could try even bigger ideas. In the 1950s, the real part of the technology shift began, where some scientists began asking, can machines learn and solve human problems? In 1951-1952, first AI programs were developed. Christopher Strachey wrote the first computer program that could play checkers. Arthur Samuel created the first program that could learn from experience. In 1956, the official launch of artificial intelligence took place. In 1956, scientists met at the Dartmouth Conference and began the study of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence started as experiments in labs, but by the 2000s the revolution of artificial intelligence began and it became part of everyday life. People wanted machines that could make life easier with the help of machines that could recognize patterns, answer questions, and even make decisions. People around the world started to use artificial intelligence. It involved scientists, governments, and technology components. Artificial intelligence is now well known. The artificial intelligence revolution changed history by giving machines human brain-like thinking and functioning capabilities. Due to artificial intelligence, machines in many fields are no less than humans. There are artificial intelligence-driven robots being used for labor work. There are artificial intelligence machines replacing humans to do day-to-day jobs like receptionists, data center, call center, many jobs in medical fields, etc. Artificial intelligence is very interactive, smart, and a great source of knowledge. It's being used for distant learning. Artificial intelligence changed the world, similar to great inventions in the past like electricity, telephone, aeroplane, internet, etc. Artificial intelligence made overall life easier and faster. Over a period in recent times, artificial intelligence is capable of replacing humans in many fields like call center, data entry, routine jobs. Even big companies like Amazon are using artificial intelligence to increase their efficiency. Artificial intelligence inception was based on early events and ideas that machines have thinking ability, Boolean and math logic, and the demand and need after World War II. The Dartmouth Conference in 1956 was the event which officially launched artificial intelligence, and later Cold War research funding gave it the needed boost. During the main development period of artificial intelligence, researchers and tech companies created machines that could learn, process, and solve complex problems. The rapid progress happened mainly from the 2010s to 2020s, powered by better computers, more data, and new algorithms. Artificial intelligence spread worldwide, changing people's thinking and lifestyle. Artificial intelligence grew because humans wanted smarter tools, greater efficiency, and solutions to problems that were complex and time-consuming to solve. In the short term, artificial intelligence changes how people work, learn, and communicate. It helps to increase efficiency and productivity. At the same time, artificial intelligence also has drawbacks and challenges like job displacement, concerns about privacy, and misinformation. Some people see artificial intelligence as a great opportunity while others see it as a threat to their jobs and privacy. In the long-term and broader perspective, artificial intelligence is transforming society on a historic scale. Artificial intelligence is becoming an essential tool in fields like scientists, governments, education, medical, transportation, and businesses. Artificial intelligence is becoming the most important invention in modern history. reshaping how people live, work, learn, and understand and see the world. Today, artificial intelligence is used in nearly every part of life, be it healthcare, transportation, communication, business, and even education. Artificial intelligence brings many benefits. It can complete tasks faster and more accurately than humans, which helps doctors diagnose disease, helps drivers navigate roads safely, and helps businesses work more efficiently. Artificial intelligence changed history because it completely transformed how people live, work, learn, and communicate. It made some jobs easier, created new types of technology, and allowed people to do things faster and smarter. Artificial intelligence is important because it solves problems quickly, it can learn from data, it makes information easier to access, and it improves efficiency everywhere, from hospitals to schools to homes. Artificial intelligence powers phones, Google searches, Siri, Alexa, and online recommendations. It helps cars drive themselves and helps companies like Amazon process millions of orders in a quicker manner. But artificial intelligence also challenges us to think about ethics, responsibility, and how technology should be used safely and fairly. Artificial intelligence also makes information easier to access, which helps immensely in education and research. These advantages allow people to save time, improve productivity, and solve complex problems. However, artificial intelligence also has disadvantages and challenges. One major concern is job displacement. Machines may replace workers in certain industries. Artificial intelligence can also make mistakes, especially if they are operating on inaccurate or incomplete information. Privacy is another concern. Government and society must create and enforce rules and laws to ensure artificial intelligence is safe, fair, reliable, and responsible. People mainly worry about privacy, misinformation, fairness, and jobs displacement. So artificial intelligence has mixed reactions. For example, some workers appreciate the help it provides to accomplish tasks faster, but at the same time some worry about losing jobs or being replaced. The same way some students find artificial intelligence helpful for learning, but some feel it is cheating. These perspectives show that artificial intelligence is powerful but must be used responsibly. Artificial intelligence has evolved dramatically over the past several decades. It began in the 1950s and progressed slowly until the early 2000s, but the biggest breakthroughs came after 2012. From early computers to the Dartmouth Conference, to smartphones and self-driven cars, artificial intelligence continues to shape the world we live in. Overall, artificial intelligence has grown from simple computer programs into one of the most powerful technologies in modern history, and we are all living in the middle of it. It has so much more to offer, and we can only imagine the way it will affect and transform human life in the future. Although artificial intelligence offers many benefits, it also brings real challenges that require careful management and thoughtful decision-making to get the best results.